being the first provider of UNIX commercial servers. UNIX is an operating system that is used in transaction environments, and we were one of the first to bring those to market in the early 1980s. And from there, reliability and availability.
A long, long time ago, I can still remember how that UNIX used to make me smile. And I knew if I had my chance, customers would sing and dance, and maybe they'd be happy for a while.
Cool. Yeah.
Microsoft made me shiver with every email I deliver. Bad news in the VAR mail, I couldn't type one more thing. I can't remember if I tried to close a while do with a phi, but something made my shell script cry the day that UNIX died. So bye bye RASUI and bye, I partitioned my disk for Windows, oh my, and the programmers here are trying hard not to cry, singing this'll be the day that I die. This'll be the day that I die. Did you read the book of C, and do you have faith in D. Ritchie? If the man page tells you so. Now do you believe in V4? Can NG give you less and more? And can it teach you how to type real slow? Well, I know that you love RN, 'cause it's sitting in your user pen. Do you know the art of thin? Must I tell you once again, we're just computer geeks with sporty cars, wearing company shirts and fixing dumb MRs. That's what we'll do best until the day that UNIX dies. We'll be singing bye bye RASUI and bye, I partitioned my disk for Windows, oh my, and the programmers here are trying hard not to cry, singing this'll be the day that I die. This'll be the day that I die. I told my coach, say it's not so. Are you headed out to Scale I.O.? But she just smiled and turned away. I went down to the computer store where I'd seen the UNIX years before, but the man there said the UNIX wouldn't boot. But in the halls designers teamed, in the field customers screamed. No word was spoken, the internet was broken, and the three commands that I use most, the ls copy and the mighty truss, they all dumped core on the bus the day that UNIX died. And we were singing bye bye RASUI and bye, I partitioned my disk for Windows, oh my, and the programmers here are trying hard not to cry, singing this'll be the day that I die. This'll be the day that I die. Bye bye RASUI and bye, I partitioned my disk for Windows, oh my, and the programmers here are trying hard not to cry, singing this'll be the day that I die.